If you have a neck and a shoulder tension that is not going away, please give this one a try. Whichever the side you have a tension, and you're going to do this exercise. So first, just to take a moment to notice the distance between the ear and the shoulder on each side. You can do this one with the eyes closed so you can feel a little better. And then once you're done, and you're going to very, very slowly and begin to raise one shoulder up halfway, and you're going to hold that position for a count of 10, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and very slowly you begin to let go until the shoulder comes to all the way down. And feel the tension now and the distance between the ear and the shoulder. Then of course you can do the other side too if the other side has the tension as well. Do this exercise a couple of times a day to retrain your nervous system and habitual muscular tension. This is just one example of how you can use your focus attention to change your body tension. Please leave a comment if this exercise has helped, and hit the like button if you like this video, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So thank you very much for watching this video, and then I will see you in next video. Bye bye now.